Today we're in Spokane at Cochinito, where the fresh ingredients of fine dining combine with a casual atmosphere. Here, the colorful food fits right in with the decor.
We've probably been here a dozen times.
There's so many options, it's hard to choose, so you just have to kind of pick and go.
I think it's not something you can find elsewhere in town.
In this day and age where social media and all that's so important, colors in food's a big deal.
Co-owner Travis Dickinson keeps his restaurant vibrant and fun, both on the plate and off.
It's really important to us, especially the visual on the tacos and things like that. Everything's got its own salsa that's selected for that thing, and we really do try and keep them vibrant and exciting looking. I mean, people eat with their eyes before their mouths, so.
Lots of color, it's very vibrant, makes you feel like, you're supposed to be eating tacos and drinking margaritas.
Yeah. It seems like a good mix of like a family environment, but also kind of a nightlife-esque type of environment.
It gets busy. There's a line out the door a lot of nights, but it's a line that moves quickly. We try and approach people in line and make sure they've got a drink in their hand and they're happy and welcome, but it really does have a fun, casual atmosphere.
Grab a margarita and hang out, watch downtown, watch the thoroughfare, watch pedestrians walking around.
Very friendly to people of all ages.
Relaxed, easy to have a great conversation, but plenty of action happening around you.